Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Minecraft, but there are several ways to address it. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate controller drift. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning the controller, especially around the analog sticks. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the area. This can help remove any dirt or debris that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Adjust dead zones. Access the game settings and look for the controller settings. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent minor movements from registering, which may reduce drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Connect it to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update. This can fix bugs and improve performance, potentially reducing drift. Step 4. Test with different games. Try using the controller with different games to see if the drift persists. If it only occurs in Minecraft, the issue may be game specific. If it happens across multiple games, it could indicate a hardware issue. Step 5. Consider hardware repair or replacement. If the drift continues after trying the above steps, you may need to consider repairing or replacing the controller. Look into warranty options or consult a professional repair service for assistance. By following these steps, you can help manage controller drift and enhance your gaming experience in Minecraft.